Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to another video. In this video, we're going to be talking about how to use Google Pay in another country. So let's get straight into the video. The first thing you want to do is check if there is Google Pay available. So open the link, which is going to be support.google.com/pay in order to see all the supported countries and look for the Google Pay or NFC tap symbol at these stores. If that is not the case, simply go ahead and add a card that works internationally. Click on add payment and then enter a card that has international transactions. Also on the card, you need to simply go ahead and click on allow international transactions and turn that on. Always update your Google Pay before you travel and also download offline map, which is going to be very helpful for you. The other thing you want to do is simply go ahead and pay at stores with the NFT tap, which is going to be available in most countries. You might need to simply go ahead and pay in apps and websites as well. Also use the currencies that are supported, and that is about it.